Hello. Today, I will be walking you through the process of assessing and filling out the dual language application. The application process. First, you will need to register your child online at your home campus according to your home address. As soon as you register your child, then you will obtain a 6-digit student ID number. Once you have your student ID number, you may apply for the dual language program and sign the commitment letter. Make sure that you read all the information in the application. In the event that the number of non-English learner students exceeds the available seats, a computer-generated lottery will be held at the end of April. After the lottery, the dual language campus you have applied to will contact you. This is a map of some of the dual language schools. The red dots are our dual language campuses, and they are connecting with their cluster campus. If the number of non-English learner students interested in the program exceeds the available seats in each dual language classroom, then we will have a lottery. Students will be selected based on the group they fall under. For example, we have Knowlton, which is our dual language campus. According to your home address, if your child belongs to Knowlton, then you will fall under Group 1. If your home campus happens to be Fernandez, Elrod, Timberwild, then you will fall under Group 2 since it is still in the Knowlton cluster. Now, if you live in any other area, you may still apply to Knowlton, but then you will fall under Group 3 because your school is not directly connected to Knowlton. If you prefer to apply to a different dual language campus because you work nearby, then you can still apply to those schools, but it will be the same. You will fall under Group 3 because the dual language campus you would be applying to is not within your address cluster. To access a dual language application, type on the search bar https://duallang.nisd.net. Once you are in the portal, you may choose the language of your choice. You have now entered the online application. Remember, before you fill out the application, you will need to make sure that you have the 6-digit student ID number that the school gave you when you enrolled your child. Once you enter the 6-digit student ID number, you will need to fill out the application with your child's information. Please make sure you carefully review the application and that the grade for the next school year is correct. In this section, you will enter your first and second choice of dual language schools. Then, you will mark whether your student has a sibling currently enrolled in the dual language program, and if you have attended an informational meeting or viewed the informational video. Once you are done filling that out, you may click Read and Sign Commitment. In this page, you acknowledge your commitment to the program by checking each box. That means you understand that the dual language program is long-term. It takes 5 to 7 years to see the benefits, and that you commit to be an active participant in your child's education by participating in family nights, parent-teacher conferences, amongst other meetings. Once you have filled out the commitment form, You may type your name and click I agree. Let's review the application process. First, you need to register online at your home campus according to your home address. Second, you will apply for the dual language program and sign the commitment letter. And third, after the lottery, the dual language campus you have applied to will contact you. For more information or assistance filling out your application, please feel free to call 210-397-2600 or email Mayra at mayra.buendia@nisd.net or Sonia Solorzano at sonia.solorzano@nisd.net.